7 side hustles you can start with zero money. Do you want to make money but you don't have any money to start? Today I'll show you the best side hustles you can start with zero investment, even if you're a complete beginner. These hustles work in any country, and you can start earning from your phone today. Stay until the end for the side hustle that requires zero skills but pays the fastest. Side Hustle 1, Online Freelancing. You don't need money to freelance. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer simple services such as writing, voiceovers, virtual assistants, or Canva designs. Build a simple profile and start with small jobs. Within weeks, you can scale to consistent income. Side Hustle 2, Social Media Management. Small businesses need someone to post for them. You don't need experience, just learn basics of posting, captions, and engagement. Start by offering free trials to build results, then charge monthly retainers. Side Hustle 3, YouTube Faceless Automation. You don't need to show your face. You can create videos using stock footage, AI voices, and simple editing. Pick a niche like finance, motivation, or tech. Consistency can turn this into a full-time income stream. Side Hustle 4, Print on Demand. Platforms like Teespring and Redbubble allow you to upload t-shirt designs for free. Every time someone buys your design, you get paid. Zero inventory, zero cost. Side Hustle 5, Online Tutoring. If you know any skill, math, English, coding, editing, you can teach it. Use WhatsApp, Zoom, or YouTube to tutor students. Zero capital required. Side Hustle 6, Affiliate Marketing. You get paid when someone buys through your link. Join free programs like Amazon Associates, Jumia, Konga, ClickBank, or digital product affiliates. Just promote on TikTok, WhatsApp, or YouTube. Side Hustle 7, Content Reposting. Some creators pay you to repost their content. Others allow you to monetize their videos through revenue share programs. Find creators in motivation, finance, or tech niches. You don't need money to start earning. You only need consistency and the right strategy. Which of these side hustles will you try first? Like this video, subscribe for more daily money hacks, and comment START if you want a full tutorial on any side hustle.